The breadfruit is a versatile fruit. Actually, it's not a fruit, but a vegetable, which originates from a flowering tree called Artocarpus altilis that belongs to the mulberry and the jackfruit botanical family. It has a thick green skin and soft fleshy pulp on the inside, depending on its ripeness. When cooked or fried, breadfruit tastes similar to freshly baked bread, hence the name. The breadfruit plant grows across the tropical regions, the Caribbean, the Pacific, and South Asian regions, and are part of a staple diet in these locations. In addition to the breadfruit nutritional profile, breadfruit is also full of health benefits. For example, it is rich in vitamin E, C, K, and the B complex. In addition to minerals such as folate, potassium, thiamine, amongst other beneficial minerals, the breadfruit has a high level of dietary fiber, and the breadfruit flour is gluten-free, with a low glycemic index, which makes it an excellent option for diabetics. When slightly ripe, this soft, mushy vegetable tastes delicious steamed, fried, baked, or barbecued. So how do you like your breadfruit? Let me know in the comment section down below as we take a look at these 10 health benefits of the breadfruit. Breadfruit was brought to Jamaica by British seaman Captain Bligh, who captained the HMS Providence in 1793. It was brought from the Pacific region of Tahiti. It is said that the first tree was planted in the Bath Botanical Gardens in St. Thomas, here on the island, and after a while, more trees were planted in other parishes. It was used primarily as food for the slave population. But forget about the initial reasons for breadfruit cultivation, because today the breadfruit is one of the most versatile food available in the world, and certainly in Jamaica. The trees grow to a height of approximately 80 feet and can produce way over 100 to 150 fruits per crop. Breadfruit is rich in fiber. The fiber content of this vegetable provides relief for those suffering from diabetes. Research made on this vegetable have established that regular intake of breadfruit can reduce the risk of diabetes and keeps the same under control. It does so by reducing the absorption of sugar by the human body from the food. For being rich in fiber, breadfruit is also an excellent energy booster. It gives the fullness of eating without increasing the calorie intake. Therefore, a person feels more energetic and active after eating breadfruit. This vegetable is also good for reducing the risk of heart disorder and cholesterol problems. Studies have shown that breadfruit helps to reduce the bad cholesterol while inducing the amount of good cholesterol in the body. Breadfruit is a rich source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Besides being beneficial for skin and hair, these two essential fatty acids are quite good for maintaining a healthy heart. Omega-3 fatty acid is also essential for brain growth. Experts have commented that regular intake of breadfruit can help a growing child in brain development to a great extent. Regular intake of breadfruit is beneficial for proper bowel movement and intestine functions. The fiber present in breadfruit helps to pass stool and also drains out toxins from the intestine. Breadfruit is considered an ideal diet food as well. For people suffering with weight issues, breadfruit is the best option. This great tasting food contains less calories and high fiber amounts. The fiber in breadfruit is truly a multitasker, as it helps to fight with the body fats and the cellulites. Apart from the various health benefits that breadfruit provides, it has some skin benefits as well. This vegetable is stuffed with a lot of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are both excellent for the skin. In addition, it is also a rich source of vitamin C, which is good for skin regeneration. Recent studies have also established that antioxidants present in breadfruit are good for preventing skin infections and rashes. Breadfruit is an excellent source of all vitamins and minerals. For being so, it is a healthy choice for hair care. Again, the omega-3 and the 6 fatty acids prove to do wonder for the hair follicles. Regular intake of breadfruit strengthens hair roots and stimulates hair growth. The vegetable is a very good option for one who looks for healthy and thick hair. Breadfruit's benefits go beyond its variety of culinary preparations. It is loaded with nutrients like dietary fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. Breadfruit may help with digestive health and facilitate bowel movement. It may promote heart and brain health as well. In addition, it may help manage diabetes and weight loss. Nevertheless, excess use may cause side effects. If you experience any such side effects, limit its use and seek medical advice. Thank you for watching. Did you find this video interesting or informative? Please let me know in the comment sections down below. Until we meet here again on Elite Jamaica, just want to say you all stay blessed. I'm Alex.
Elite Jamaica.
Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.